Let us imagine a body, a block of mass m on a rough inclined plane with an angle of inclination theta. As we have explained in the previous video, its weight will be acting in the downward direction. This angle is also equal to theta. Mg can be resolved into components as mg cos theta, and this component is mg sin theta. Mg cos theta is the force applied by the body on the surface. Normally, the surface applies the reaction the same way, which is the value of the normal reaction. And as mg sin theta is trying to pull the body in the downward direction, frictional force starts acting in the opposite direction. And I have mentioned in the previous video that if the mg sin theta value is less than that of Fs maximum, body will remain in the state of rest and static frictional force will be self-adjusting. So if the body has to incline on this rough inclined plane, mg sin theta has to be at least equal to the frictional force. How can we increase mg sin theta is by increasing the sin theta. How can we increase the sin theta is by increasing the theta itself, because sin is an increasing function. Therefore, if the angle of inclination is keep on increasing at a certain stage, at a certain angle, we can say mg sin theta will be equal to that of the frictional force. At that stage, as the frictional force cannot increase anything more than that, as the frictional force has reached the limiting stage, the body starts moving. So, that particular angle at which the body starts moving, at particular angle at which mg sin theta is able to compensate the maximum static frictional force or a limiting frictional force, is called something like angle of repose. At a particular angle, the body starts moving, slipping on the inclined plane, and that angle is called angle of repose itself. Angle of repose. We can derive the equation for the angle of repose using the equation that we have just now discussed. Let us just depend on this equation and continue. We have proved that mg sin theta is frictional force equal to mu into normal reaction. Mg sin theta, in this case normal reaction is nothing but equal to mg cos theta. We can cancel this mg and mg. So tan theta equal to mu or theta equal to tan inverse of mu. This angle is called angle of repose. It obviously depends on the coefficient of friction. That means it depends on the roughness of the surface. And you might be able to remember that it is accidentally equal to the angle of friction itself, but these two are not similar, they are different. Angle of friction is quite different from angle of repose.